If your diet looks like a struggle, you're in the right place. Let's change that with this simple recipe. First, let's grab some fresh ingredients. Think vibrant veggies, lean protein, and zesty spices. My go-to is a super quick and tasty stir-fry. Start by heating a splash of olive oil in a pan. Toss in diced chicken breast or tofu for a protein punch. Add a rainbow of bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Season it all with a dash of soy sauce, garlic powder, and a sprinkle of chili flakes to kick it up a notch. Stir it up and cook until everything's tender and delicious. Serve it over a bed of cauliflower rice or quinoa for a filling, healthy meal. It's that easy. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be boring. Try this recipe and watch those pounds melt away while enjoying every bite. Stay healthy and happy, friends!